Good evening. My name is Cristian Camilo Huertas. I am a student of Industrial Engineering. The movie is called Life is Beautiful Synopsis. Hmm, World War is about to explode in Europe. Meanwhile, Guido arrives in an Italian town with the intention of opening a bookstore. There he falls in love with the girlfriend of an Italian fascist Dora. She will succumb to their charms and Guido gets her to marry him. From the beautiful union a little on is born war will have to live in first persons the horrors of war. The family will be held in a concentrated camp. Guido will do everything in his power to make his son believe that life is beautiful and that everything they are living is not nothing more than a game. I learned from this movie that although life is difficult, we have it that special touch to be happy. Although there are many problems, you have to see the positive side, many emotions, since it is a story of a very difficult time in history as the Second World War and happy as a guy, Guido, so the show he saw that life was beautiful even if they were in a concentration camp. It is related that although we have many problems of difficulty, if we look for the best way to overcome them, everything will be better in our professional and academic life. Thank you.